Again.
we are near the monster. So the monster truck easily crushed
What did you
cars.
say? You did not even?
But even a wheel came out on the monster truck.
Come here now, but you're not yet here.
Because that's why the
Where's
monster
Daddy
truck.
Cobee?
I am, but I'm learning about monster trucks. Daddy loves to drive monster trucks. So the monster truck easily crushed cars.
Oh, be careful.
It can crush the car like smash, smash.
Wait, do you have sipon?
I think yes, but later
Later.
it will stop. I don't have cough anymore.